Hello and welcome to TV Quickie for September 26, 2013. This one's called Physical Counts and UPC2. If you've tried to do our physical counts or looked into it, you'll notice that you can't, up until now, you haven't been able to use the physical count function to the UPC2 items. One of the reasons for that is that UPC2 items are, quote, price embedded. Translation of that means the price is in the barcode. So in this case, I've got two barcodes that would be for the same commodity. In my test system, it's called a turkey. One is $5.99, the other one is $6.99. So that caused problems with the physical count guy because those are considered two different UPCs. So what we've done is we've modified the physical count function in both the FM and in DSD to handle this and allow us to count those items. So what we've done is if you're in physical counts and you scan the UPC, it's going to record the count as one more, so it's going to increase by one, and it's going to increase the running total for that UPC by the dollar amount. So in the case, if I scanned this first barcode over here for $5.99, it's going to record one count for $5.99. If I scan another one that happens to be, and then I scan this one over here, that's $6.99, my count will go to 2. My dollar amount will be, and my math is horrible, but I believe it'll be $12.98, I believe. So now that's great to scan a package or whatever. Well, what we've done is that if you put a minus sign before you scan, so it has negative blah, it'll take that barcode out of the running count. So it'll drop it down by 1. So what we're going to do is do some of this here. Now, those who have watched quickies before, I'm going to use what we call WinTerm to demonstrate this because it's a lot easier and it's bigger and you can see it and it runs on Windows. So I'm going to go here, go ahead and sign in, maybe. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and log in, enter. There we go. Enter inventory control. I'm going to go into physical count. All right, now count group. There's a whole other training video for that. We're not going to ignore that for right now. So I scan my first item. Now my first item is 20000100599. So let's go ahead and scan that. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Notice it doesn't ask you how many there are because it was a UPC item. UPC2 item. Going on, let's bring up DSD. Look at our physical counts. There's our item of 1. Okay. And if we report pending counts, we'll see there's our information, and there's the extended retail is $5.99, even though the unit is $1.19. That's the pounds. So you can see how we're keeping track of the tail guy. So let's go ahead and jump back to our FM. We're going to go ahead and receive another one of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the $6.99 guy. Enter. Notice he just pops up. There's no warning you've already counted these before because it's right in there. And if we go back, you'll see now the count is 2. And if we report pending counts, there's a little bit of delay here because it's looking through the 7,000 printers that I have. And we'll see now that test turkey is a count of 2 because that's how many you counted. I have no cost. The extended cost, imagine that my math was right, $12.98. And just to show you, continuing on our little walk down happiness lane here, I'm going to take away that $6.99, or let's just say that was the wrong one to scan. I shouldn't have scanned it. So I'm going to go minus, and then some handhelds that's a little tough. We'll put minus and then scan the item. Nothing visibly happens, obviously. Come back here, you notice our count is back down to 1, and if I report pending counts, we're back down to 1, and our extended retail is $5.99 again. All right. All the posting is still based on count because that's the way the inventory works. So we haven't changed that. But for people who are using physical counts to do dollar amounts of your inventory valuations, this will help handle that. So where's my little PowerPoint? So That's all we've done. We've added that. It's a very simple little explanation. The update will be posted by tomorrow, which would be Friday, or Monday. Best wait till Monday. But anyway, so this is the new update we've got out there for physical counts, and now we can handle the UPC2 items. Once again, check out our other quickies and our training videos. We have a couple other training videos coming up in the future here. Very excited. And we've also been working on a lot of different features that we'll present over the next couple weeks in quickies. Have a wonderful evening.